This video will go over how to maintain parts of your machine that may cause the incline or resistance features of your machine to not function properly. The incline may become stuck particularly in its lowest position if the M6 shoulder screw that holds the magnetic bracket and the M5 by 8mm screw, which holds the resistance arm, are too tight. If this happens, the declined position of the frame can push magnets into the frame and possibly damage the resistant motor and/or the controller. First, turn off and unplug your machine. Then remove the left crank arm by loosening the bolts on the crank arm clamp, shown here. Then remove the crank screw and pull off the left crank arm. Remove the left side shield from the machine with the 4 screws on the left side shield and the 2 screws on the right side shield as shown. With the side shields removed, loosen the M6 shoulder screw and the screws on the resistance motor link arm. Confirm all wires are undamaged and securely plugged in. Next, to loosen the 2 forks, remove the Phillips screw attaching the left leg cover and lift the leg cover up, exposing the bolt. Loosen this bolt a quarter of a turn counterclockwise and then repeat this step for the right fork. Before reinstalling the leg covers, plug in the machine and calibrate the incline to confirm that it inclines properly. If there are any broken parts, such as the resistance motor or controller, you can view the process for replacing these parts by watching their respective replacement video tutorials. You may need a controller if the console will not light up and the incline will not move. Once all parts are properly working again, reinstall the left side shield with the same screws removed from earlier. To reinstall the left crank arm, place it onto the crank, making sure to orient the crank arm 180 degrees away from the right crank arm. Then, tighten the left crank screw into place and tighten the 2 bolts on the crank arm clamp equal amounts, alternating between the 2 bolts as demonstrated to ensure it's tightened properly.